Explain insurance sa pinakasimpleng paraan. Pag nagkasakit ka, the company will give you an amount para magamit mo sa pampagaling or pang-hospital bills. That's health insurance. Number 2, pag nag-retire ka, you will have your funding for your retirement. That's retirement plan. Number 3, kapag ka mag-aaral na ang anak mo, you have cash for the educational funding ng iyong anak na magka-college or magha-high school. And number 4, of course, kapag ka nawala ang isang client, the beneficiaries will receive a cash amounting dun sa insurance coverage na kinuha niya para mapagpatuloy nila ang kanilang lifestyle na hindi nababago or hindi naghihirap. For more information, send the message na